Hello and welcome to wrapping the Subaru Part 2. I have finally gotten more wrap, so we can finally wrap the whole car, maybe. I don't know if it's enough wrap to wrap the whole car, but today we will be wrapping the roof, the fenders. We may have enough for the bumper. We unfortunately cannot wrap the door yet because I don't know how to take the door handle off. This is the exact same color as the other stuff I've wrapped, which shouldn't come as a surprise. I mean, why would I wrap part of the car purple and then the other part brown? Doesn't make any sense, does it? We'll just go ahead and kind of unwrap it on top of the car. So this is the roof complete. I did this way faster than I did the hood of this car. There are some bubbles and a few creases here and there. Overall, way better than the hood. Camera doesn't really do the color justice. If we get real close up, you can kind of see some of these creases and stuff. But overall, definitely better than how I wrapped the hood of the car. So what we're going to do now is move on to the fenders. Now I'm contemplating whether or not to wrap the fender flares. Originally I thought no, I'm going to leave them, but I'm not sure if this is enough wrap for anything else on this car. But I know this would be enough to wrap, I believe, all four of the fender flares. So I think what I'll do is I'll keep this wrap around, this extra stuff, and if I have another use for it, there's another part of this car I can wrap with it, then I'll use it and I won't wrap the fender flares. But if there's nothing else to use it for, then I will go ahead and wrap the fender flares on both the front and the rear. So now we're gonna try to wrap this front fender. We're gonna try to wrap this front right fender first. So I need to pull the headlight. Maybe not. I think I'll be fine leaving it. I do need to remove the fender flare, and I need to remove this little quick release piece there. So let's go ahead and do that. Whoa, check out that fitment though. Damn. Okay, anyway. Wow. Okay, we're gonna have to clean this up. I've run out of water. There we go. Okay, just about works. Only I forgot to remove the quick release piece. Alright, so this fender is now done. It looks super good. This is one of the better panels on this car. Now, of course, this is still quite rough because I didn't bother to do any body work. But overall, it's not bad. I think this is where I'll end for today. I want to try and do the side skirt today, but I have to figure out how. So I may wrap this off camera on this side and then show you guys on the other side how I'm going to do it. Alright, so it is the next day. I'm going to be wrapping the left fender and the left side skirt. Yesterday I wrapped this right side skirt and I figured out that the good way to do it is to just lay it down. I don't really have to do anything with the side skirt at all, so yeah. But I need to move this car further away from the left, so I'm going to move it to the middle, which means we got to move the Corolla out, so let's go ahead and do that. And now all I gotta do is just move all this junk out of my way so I can move the Subaru to the middle. Really, the thing about having a two-car garage is I don't even have to move it so it's, you know, aligned properly. I can just move it kind of like this. So I gotta go ahead and remove the fender flare. I ruined all the magic by moving my camera. Anyway, now we've got to remove this. Whoa, what the heck? It just suddenly came off. Whoa, magic. So the wrap on the fender is complete. Now we're going to wrap the side skirt. Probably will have to cut the wrap into two sections because the wrap piece I want to use isn't long enough to go across the whole side skirt, but it shouldn't be too noticeable. I think it's fine. Okay, so we've gotten the side skirt wrapped as well. So that is going to be everything. So let's go ahead and move the cars back. I must say I haven't driven this car too much just because it is kind of being taken apart a little bit for the wrap. So yeah, let's just go ahead and move it. Where's my key? There it is. What's really funny is the slowest car I own is also the best sounding. Get a load of that exhaust though, god damn. I don't know, I need to raise it up a little bit because I scraped it on my driveway. So now the very bottom of the exhaust is slightly scraped. It's not much, you can barely see it, and you can only see it if you poke your head right underneath the exhaust pipe. So I'm gonna see if there's any way I can raise that up, but chances are probably not. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead, leave a like, comment below, and subscribe. The Subaru is coming along quite nicely. Honestly, I'm really debating whether or not I should rewrap the hood. I don't know if I want to, at least for now. Maybe I'll just leave it for a while with this. Or maybe I'll just wait until I get a carbon fiber hood. I don't have to worry about the wrap at all. Motorbike gang, anyway, goodbye.